Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the CSR Intel incident, which is an incident that we maintain on a monthly basis. And as fires start to get bigger, we create a new room and start tracking them. What I'm going to show you is how to go to that room, copy the information out of it, and then create a new incident for your unit, and then be able to paste the information. So essentially using the CSR monthly incident as a starting point or as a head start on your use of NICS in the incident. So like I said, we maintain a CSR, as does the northern region maintain a northern region intel by month. If you select that incident, it will populate. And then if you go to the rooms menu, you will find various incidents that we watch and track. For this demonstration, we'll use the CSR demonstration incident. So this is the kind of thing that the people in the Intel shop would be watching. They'd watch the automatic flight following, or sometimes they watch the news helicopter footage, and they can get us kind of a head start while the units are filling the initial orders and getting themselves organized. So when we draw a perimeter, we will most often put down here in the chat window where that information came from. For example, this says perimeter drawn by news footage, still requires ground validation. We might say something like perimeter drawn by watching automatic flight following, or perimeter drawn by AVL, still requires ground validation. So sometimes it's a phone call with an initial attack incident commander who's describing it. So in this case, I went to the monthly Southern Region incident. I found the incident that we were tracking by looking at the demonstration incident. And now I'm here. This incident is wide open. So you can come on in, select the text box, highlight the entire piece of information, copy it. And now, as long as you don't log out of the server using logout, if you just X out of that incident, you can go to Incidents, create a new incident. We're going to create a new CSR incident. It's going to be called the demonstration incident. And it's a wildland fire. And when we create it, it will be its own incident, and it will have an incident map and a working map. Sometimes it takes a minute to propagate. What I can do now, as long as I haven't logged out of the server, I'm able to go into the incident map because I just created a new incident. I can click paste, and that information now has just been populated from the CSR monthly incident into the incident that you just created, and it gave you a head start. Before you publish it in the incident map, you should get concurrence from the incident commander, and hopefully that will allow you to begin. You should also say in the chat window something like incident initially populated from CSR Intel, still requires ground validation, and then from this point you can continue on. So you can see how you can leave one incident, start a new incident, and then copy and paste between incidents. And that's how we're hoping to be able to give you some assistance at Intel in getting your original perimeters into NICS. Thank you very much.